Here's everything you need to know about these electric scissors. So it's so easy to use these, much easier than scissors. I'm about to use them to cut a fabric weed barrier. And I know it's going to be much easier on my hand, wrist, and thumb when using this guy. Now, a couple features to point out. This is a high carbon steel blade. There is an LED light right there that comes on when you start to turn it or when you use it. And then back here is a LED screen that gives you the battery power and what level you're using. So here's an example. So I hit the safety switch and then I pull the trigger, safety switch, trigger, and you can see it's at 100% and I'm on level 4. Pretty slick. And then there's the LED light. Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna go cut the fabric. Okay, I'm gonna cut the fabric reed barrier here. So I'm gonna line this up with the sidewalk and hit the safety switch, the trigger. Oh, oh my goodness. That's so easy. Wow, that is slick. I think this is gonna be my new best friend. Very impressed with these electric scissors. I recommend them.